Hello guys. Today we have this sharp. This sharp is sharp 001SH. It is locked. It has a screen lock. Yeah. And unfortunately there is no way to unlock this phone through USB cable or hard reset it to format it manually. There is no way. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the passcode. You can unlock it by removing the eMMC. No way to format it, no way to hard reset it. Yes, I think that everyone knows that there is no way to hard reset it. In this video you have to be careful. I want to show you how you can do it easily, but it needs more engineering and more tools, advanced tools like EasyJTAG Box or UFI Box. Yeah, so don't skip any step. We are going to start. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now it's time for unscrewing this device. We are going to open it and remove the motherboard inside the housing. Yes, we are going to remove the motherboard and remove the eMMC so that we can access to the passcode. Yeah, okay. Now it's time for eMMC removing. We are removing the eMMC, and here we have to pay attention. We have to pay more attention because we can damage the eMMC if we do it badly. Yes, as you see, the eMMC is removed, and now we want to clean the motherboard. We want to remove the glue on the motherboard. Yeah, and then also to remove the glue we have also to pay more attention because we can damage the ways on the motherboard, and then in that case if you damage any way you can pay more to fix it. Yeah, here I'm removing the glue, and then what I recommend you is to pay more attention, pay more attention, much attention. Okay, let's continue. Here you see that I'm removing the glue. Yeah, the glue under eMMC. Another thing that I forgot to tell you is to protect the CPU. You have to put something on the CPU. If you look well on the CPU, you see that I put another eMMC up the CPU. On the CPU there is another eMMC. Yeah, after removing the glue we have to clean the place where was the eMMC installed. Yes, we have to use the wick wire as you see in the soldering iron. Yeah, even here you must pay more attention so that you can't damage any way. Yes, if you damage anyway this phone will never work properly, will never power on. Yes, you see that I removed the eMMC that was protecting the CPU against the heat. Yeah, against the high temperature. If the CPU is attacked by the temperature, the phone can be damaged and they will never power on. Yes, okay, you have to add more flags so that we clean this space very well. You have to check if there is no glue on the space. We have to clean with the alcohol and blushes. Any type of blush you can use it, and alcohol liquid. Okay, yes. See that I'm cleaning this space. Now I finished to clean. This time is for EMC cleaning. Yeah, even on the EMC there is glue and you have to clean it. Okay, have to be careful if you are doing this kind of job. Yeah, it is risky. It is risky. I repeat, it is risky. You have to do it careful. But because me, I'm an expert in this kind of job, I don't have any fear. Don't worry about it. Yeah, sometimes there is a glue on the side of the EMC. You have to clean, or you have also to clean those glue that left there. Yeah, okay. After cleaning the EMC, we have to rebar. Yes, we have to rebar the EMC. For rebarring, you have to get flags and a stencil. Yeah, okay. I want to rebar this EMC. This is a stencil. I'm using. Okay, let me rebar. I have to add flags. Add flags. Yes, flags. Okay, so if it is the first time you see me or see this video, try to subscribe to our channel. GSM Tricks updated, and then don't forget to click on the bell so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Yeah, okay. And then if it is possible, you can also share this video. Now we are rebarring. We are rebarring this EMC, and sometimes at the first time the rebar can be not good. You have to add more flags and then repeat the rebarring action. Yes, okay. A midbar again. Yeah, here I'm rebarring. Sometimes if you rebar, you have to get a blade and then cut the bar. No, some bars are not equal. You have to equalize them by cutting the bars that are not equal to others. Yes, okay. You can cut again so that all parts will be at the same level. Yes, now we finish. Yes, all parts are equal. After the burning, you have to clean with alcohol or another liquid. Yeah, here I'm using alcohol. Yeah, see, all parts are okay. Now it's time for passcode removing. To remove the passcode, we have to get the EasyJTAG box or Wi-Fi box. Yeah, and then we need to do what? We need to remove the passcode via EasyJTAG box. Yeah, to do this job you must be an engineer. Yes, here I'm removing the passcode. I'm using the EasyJTAG Box. Sorry for the image, the quality of this image is not good, and I'm sorry. Next time I will show you where how to do it. Now I finished to remove the passcode. It takes a short time. It doesn't delay. No, it doesn't delay. Okay. Now I want to remount the EMC. I want to install the EMC where I removed it. Yeah. Okay. To install the EMC, you need to get flags. This oil is called Amtech, from Amtech. Yes. Okay. Have to install this EMC because the passcode is removed. It is unlocked, and then we need to remount it. We need to install EMC on the motherboard, and after that we switch on the phone and see if it will work properly as it was working. Okay, here I'm installing the EMC. I'm using the rework station EasyJTAG Quick 2008. Yeah, this quick is very good. It works perfect. Yeah, even you, I can recommend you to buy this type of quick 2008. Yeah, I have to pay more attention. Pay attention, please. Pay more attention. Pay attention. Okay, here I finished to do what? To install the EMC, and I want to cool down it because it got hot. It is hot because of the workstation. Yeah, now I'm cooling down. I'm using the small fan. Yeah, this fan is very small. It is affordable. It is available on the market, and the price is not very expensive. Yeah, you can buy it so that you can cool down after each action, after hitting any type of device. You can use it. Yeah, now we want to switch on the phone and see if the phone will be powered be powered on or not. Yeah, sometimes if you did it very bad or badly, the phone will not power on. Here, let's see what is going to happen. Wow. It's okay. Yeah, okay. Here you see that the phone is powered on. Yes, okay. That's it. Okay, see that there is no passcode now. The passcode is removed. It is unlocked. Yeah, okay. You see that it is not easy. I don't recommend you to do this job if you are not engineer in hardware. If you don't have more skills in hardware. Yes, now let me put the cameras and close the phone. Yeah, I want to close the phone. Let me put the cameras, back camera and front camera. Yeah, okay. You see that this job is not easy. It is not easy. I don't recommend you this kind of job if you are not expert in hardware. Yeah, or if you want to learn hardware, I can teach you, whether online or offline. But offline, it is somehow very very difficult because you can't come in my country. But it depends on where you are located. Okay, you are welcome if you want to learn offline or online, but I can suggest you to learn online. I can support you online. Yeah, okay. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, GSM Tricks Updated, where you will find many videos about hardware tricks and tips. Yeah, they are on my YouTube channel. You will learn more things. Yes, many things. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, GSM Tricks Updated. Don't forget also to share, comment, and like. Tell us how you see things in this video, and tell us what you think about us in the comment section. We will be happy to see your comment or your like. And don't forget to share this video. See you soon in the next video. We are preparing another video about hardware tricks and tips. Bye bye. Ciao.